5 p.m. in my clock. And my first class this day is 5:30 p.m. hanggang 7:30 p.m. 2 hours yun, which is for middle subjects. Here for the older adults. Update ko lang kayo kasi wala akong kaganap-ganap ngayong araw nito. Just have here the printed learning task that I was doing kanina sa sasakyan. Tinuloy ko lang siya kanina dito kasi hindi ko siya natapos. So, nahihilo na ako kanina. So, yan na. You're ready to go sa campus and see you there. Our class is at 8 a.m. Supposedly 7:30 but our clinical instructor moved niya ng 8 so that walang malilate. We're on our way to the campus. It's lunchtime. I'm back at our apartment and yeah, hindi na kami mag-rush mamaya, which is my time ako mag-rest. Tutulog ako. But we have research class from 4:30 to 7:30. So, kailanganin ang matinding energy mamaya. So, I need to recharge. Buti na lang, hindi na kami imimit mamaya. Kasi nag-check kami ng papers from our prelim examination. And we also had 2 quizzes kanina for the prelim topics ng med-surg. Given a time to rest. And next week na daw kami lesson for our midterm topics. So, yeah. Last class, or second class of the day. Yeah. Let's go. May go home, may go home. Ikaw mag-order. Here's the moon. Hi. Here we go. We don't have any quiz, but we just wanted to read some dito sa book also para ma-retain din lahat ng na-review ko from the topics sa prelims ng research. This is a fundamentals of nursing practice book, but some topics are here, some topics sa research are here, kagaya nito. So, it's really helpful. So, lately, parang sobrang may energy to scan my books and PDFs that I have. Even though wala kaming quiz or exam, parang kakaibang habit ito para sa akin. Just so new, medyo meron na tayong sipag to study, just read books even though it's not necessary. I mean, it's necessary for us para ma-reading yung mga na-reading natin, gano'n. Somehow, not something that I believe in. Kasi ginagawa ko lang yung magbabasa ng libro if it's kailangan. If may recitation na lang, pero pag wala, nanonood na ako. But today, tonight, we'll just be having some readings. So, yeah. We're just trying to be productive and using our time wisely. I think
Very advanced.
Wednesday class is over. Wala na akong pasok mamaya because till 3 PM lang yung CFED class namin, which is a good idea. And so tomorrow, we will be having our community duty. Well, clinic kami mag-stay tomorrow kasi we don't have CI. So yeah, we're just gonna prepare for that. Not the best angle, but I don't have any choice. I don't know why, but my head hurts so bad. Kailangan ko talaga siyang itulog. But parang feel ko magigilty ako kung matutulog ako. Because I have many things to do. I don't know. Maybe I should get some rest and full force maybe for the requirements that I need to accomplish. Maglabransya pa tayo mamayang gabi. So, let's do that.
Ano ba exam? Tapos ang exam, midterm.
So, hello everyone. We have our duty here at University Clinic Main Campus. And sobrang daming concern sa mga estudyante, especially mga junior high students, which is sore eyes talaga. So, always, perform hand washing. It's the best preventive measure that we can do for ourselves, for the people around us. Always wash your hands, and also mga preventive measures na kailangan natin gawin. So, basically, I'm here sa ward, like here. Pero walang estudyante, walang patient. We have kanina isang senior high student. She has dysmenorrhea but she's okay now. So, she's good to go. Basically, pumunta lang ako dito para makausap ko kayo. But, balik na ako dun. Kasi may hinatid lang ako na patient din or estudyante sa isolation room. So, yeah. Siguro ano lang. Pag RH, hindi ko lang. Community, no? Oo, yung role niya dun sa Mas okay na ba ngayon? Para prepared. Lagi ka bang hinaatake? Hindi naman. May kasama ka ba? Doon? Pag-lahat mo sana ng Freshman? Ang Kim.
Si Toby, Faisal, gano'n. Dito na may daan. Dito dumaan, shortcut daw. Dumaan kami.
Wala pa yung bigil ito.
Stab.
Wait! Ito kasi yung buhok ni Kino. May picture ka sa akin.
Wala. Pag siya yung IR, may pang blackmail siya. Find the kid. Okay, dear. Anong meaning nito? May carrots. May carrots. So I just came from the campus kasi kakatapos ng research class namin, and look, ang ganda ng moon. Like, this is a perfect way to wrap up this day because our duty is somehow toxic kasi ang dami naming inattend na patients, ang dami naming ginawa, and look at that. I don't know if the camera is giving justice to what I'm seeing right now, but the moon is so big, it's so ganda.
When she was asked about her coping mechanism, nanonood ako at nakipagkwentuhan sa asawa na na. For values and belief pattern, before hospitalization, patient LCP is a Roman Catholic, and she stated that mobility and turnover. The skin is very slow to return the shoulder of that small size and out, and after the oxygen enters through our nose, it will pass to the nasal cavity.
Bago nyo i-print yung final copy nyo as well sa ibang mga groups. At least meron sa inyong mag-final review.
Acute myeloid leukemia, chronic.
Ay, amo na tayo sa drama.
This would be over now, but I know that I still need you.
Have you ever had that moment or, phase in your life when you suddenly or sometimes won't feel so smart anymore? Like, you might notice that the atmosphere is more competitive compared to when you were in high school, when you were in elementary, and after constant exposure to other college students who seem to always do better than you. I think it's normal to feel like you are not as intelligent and skilled as you once thought you were. Like, this particular fact will hit you hard, not just in freshman year, but even in your junior year, like me. But as you go along your college journey, you'll realize that it's a normal experience. Like, this really happens. And it's a hard-hitting realization about the real world that we are not as good as we originally thought. But, it doesn't mean that it's completely true. I want you to always remember that you are smart enough, you are good enough, and skilled enough in your own way. You just need to find your place in the real world, and, these college experiences ahead of you will help you realize them.
Akin yan. Kung isa. Thank you.
Ibig sabihin niya sa past pages is that it wasn't some notice.